In this example, we will be finding the square root of 15 by approximating it to the nearest tenths place value. To do this, we want to look at perfect squares nearby to 15. Examples of this are 3 squared, which is 9, and 4 squared, which is 16. We can see that 15 lies between 9 and 16, and we'll use this information to write the following inequality. 9 is less than 15, which is less than 16. Now we can take the square root of all of these values. The square root of 9 will be equal to 3, while the square root of 16 is equal to 4. So we know that the square root of 9 is equal to 3 because 3 squared is 9. And we know the square root of 16 is equal to 4 because 4 squared is 16. Now we can see that the square root of 15 lies between 3 and 4. So to find a tenths place approximation, we can pick tenths place decimals between 3 and 4 that when multiplied by themselves give us something close to 15. However, we're going to try numbers very close to 4 because 15 is very close to 16. So we can try out something like 3.9 squared and see how close we can get to 15. Let's do 3.9 times 3.9. 9 times 9 is 81, carry the 8. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 8 is 35. Now add our 0. 3 times 9 is 27, carry our 2. And then 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. Now when we add these values together, we end up getting 15.21, which is very close to 15. So we can say that 3.9 squared gives us approximately 15. Now if we take the square root of both of those sides, we can then cancel out the squared and the square root here to get that 3.9 is approximately the square root of 15. And this will be our answer.